We expect God to come down and solve our issues. If He is the Almighty and if He really cares about us, He ought to. You can get everything you want if you follow the 16 universal laws. Refer to my book, The Magical Scroll, for them. You may find it difficult to believe. Experiment with them and see for yourself. You have nothing to lose. You need to follow all the 16 laws at all times. Only 100% compliance works. 99% may not be good enough to enjoy a perfectly happy life. You may understand the 16 laws, but you may find it tough to change and comply with all of them. The law of attraction can work in your favor only when you follow the other 15 laws as well. Often, you get what you want, and then you seem unhappy about the very same thing. So, the first step is to know what is good for you. Will what you want not disturb your happiness? Will it enhance your happiness? If you expect its occurrence to make you happy, most of the time it does not work that way. If you are on your journey to get what you want, if you expect to have it at the end of the journey, during the journey, your happiness should not be disturbed. Your happiness at the end of the journey depends on this. When your happiness is disturbed during the course of your travel, you may have regrets at the end of a seemingly successful journey. Focus on your journey as much as you focus on what you get at the end of it. Apply the 16 laws. This is not about what others want for you or themselves, nor what you want for others. The 16 laws are about what you want for yourself. There is an issue when you want something for another person while he wants something else for himself. Imagine the chaos when everyone does this. Life is simple when you are clear about what you want and when you understand that others cannot make you happy, nor can you make others happy. Happiness is a natural state of being. You need to make the choice to be happy.